Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Honda Odyssey. It comes with 30,337 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.0 liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is a four-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive. It comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're seeing down on the bottom, 48,824. Wow, I am very tired. So 48,824, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 30,337. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Starting on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.